going to show you how to get the cinder block rod. It looks like this. And first step, head to the tower near Russell Bay. Here. And second step, climb this rope. And third step, you will find this here where you just climbed up. You go up from the stairs and you see this thing. You will climb on and you just climb and go here, and then you go on the roof, and yeah, here it is. So now you can buy the cinder block, which I already have bought.